Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, but it's up to you of course. Then we can enter the Play Store, and if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to log in or sign in if you do not have the account at all. And after that, just tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage right here. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and we have to simply tap on Updates Available to check which we can download. So as you can see, in my case, I've got 25 of them. Of course, we can mark all and download all, but you can also pick, for example, one of them, like Gmail and Google Chrome. In my case, just mark those which you want to install and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and the apps will be automatically updated, so you don't have to wait. Right here you can do whatever you want, just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.